There are some amazing things happening in the vehicle world nowadays. Some brands are coming up with completely new things, and some of them are making incredible changes in the upcoming models. There is a fantastic turning point to report in this video. The Hummer brand, a gas-consuming brand from General Motors, which ended in 2010, is set to return in 2022 as a fully electric GMC sub-brand. The resurrected Hummer appears first as a pickup and later as an SUV. The new pickup looks like an absolute beast with up to 1,000 horsepower from its state-of-the-art powertrain, which uses 3 electric motors, offering an estimated range of 350 miles on a single charge and a 100 km/h jump in 3.0 seconds. The Hummer EV is also equipped with removable roof panels, optional adjustable air suspension, and excellent all-wheel steering, which allows it to scratch to the sides, drive diagonally, all of which should be fun when off-road. Pickups are another frontier for electric cars, as potential rivals Rivian Bollinger. Only the highest Edition 1 equipment and its 6-digit price tag will be available at launch. It is packed with the best Hummer EV has to offer, including adjustable air suspension, a semi-autonomous Super Cruise mode, an electrically operated boot lid, and a giant 13.4-inch infotainment display. The experts who were able to test the prototype model were amazed by its performance. For now, it is the only power unit available in the Hummer EV setup with 3 electric motors that deliver 1,000 horsepower, which is remarkable capacity amongst most of the cars we know and have used. All-wheel drive is standard, and GMC estimates time from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.0 seconds, which the company says is achievable with the Watts to Freedom truck driving mode. The GMC also reports a questionable torque value of 11,500 pound-feet from this power unit, but this estimated number is almost certainly calculated by multiplying the truck's gear ratios. The actual torque will be between 1,000 and 1,100 pound-feet, GMC insiders say. Although we have a problem with this misleading torque number being computed, it should have tremendous attraction, and there will come a time when people will have no clue of how to react to this information. The GMC has not yet released this information about campaigns and payloads. To compete with the Tesla Cybertruck and Rivian R1T and R1S, the Hummer EV would have to boast a towing capacity between 75,000 pounds and 11,000 pounds, and a payload between 1,500 pounds and 3,500 euros. Hummer EV uses GM's new Ultium battery technology and boasts an estimated range of 350 miles on a single charge. The company also said the Hummer would have an 800-volt electrical architecture with a 350 kilowatt fast charge capability that will allow it to add 100 miles in just 10 minutes. Lots of amazing information to the detail of how 4-wheel steering with rear wheels can turn up to 10 degrees in both directions. The rear wheels can move diagonally when turned in the same direction as the front wheels, a feature GMC calls crab walk. When the front and rear wheels are turned in opposite directions, it better reduces turning radius and cornering at low speeds. The Hummer EV will feature a host of advanced driver assistance systems. It has a Super Cruise feature that allows hands-free driving on roads, where this technology is legally permitted. Then there's a set of cameras that are a must-have for any off-road vehicle, a feature called UltraVision that offers 17 views. These cameras provide a surround view angle to make navigating off-road and in tight spaces easier. As a Hummer, the new EV version should also be capable of surviving harsh conditions. Its suspension raises the ride height by up to 6 inches in eject mode, while also featuring continuous damping adaptive ride control for better driving dynamics both on and off-road. The Hummer SUV comes with 22-inch wheels, while the off-road package includes 18-inch wheels wrapped in 35-inch off-road tires. This package also adds underbody armor and other drivetrain components better suited for off-road driving. For buyers who have no DC fast charging stations nearby, the Hummer EV will also be able to charge at standard public charging terminals or at home via the supplied adapter. But charging times are significantly slower. See, this advanced vehicle has a solution to all your problems. Maybe that's why we are on a turning point with the Hummer EV. EPA fuel consumption estimates for the Hummer EV have not yet been released, so it is unknown how efficient this large electric car will offer. When it gets into production, we will test a giant beast on our highway fuel economy test route at 75 miles per hour, announcing our MPGe and mileage findings. For more information on Hummer EV fuel consumption, visit the EPA website. Although the Hummers were mainly SUVs in the past, the Hummer EV takes the form of a pickup with a 5-foot-long crew cabin. The SUV will follow the truck into production and should be unveiled sometime in 2021. The Hummer EV cab is as spacious as the GMC Sierra pickup with a crew cab. The interior can be opened to all elements through a new removable roof, again featuring a T-top designer popular in GM sports and muscle cars in the 70s and 80s. When the transparent panels are in place, they resemble a standard panoramic glass sunroof, but lifting and placing them in the front trunk of the Hummer EV gives the truck a convertible atmosphere similar to that of the Jeep Gladiator. GMC has agreed with Epic Games, the maker of the hugely popular video game Fortnite, to create graphics for the Hummer EV infotainment interface. The large 13.4-inch display serves as an infotainment screen, and there is also a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel. Many connectivity features will be standard, including Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, and GM OnStar telematics. We will find out more about the available technical functions of the Hummer EV as of the date of the sale of the truck. Speaking of warranty, the Hummer EV will undoubtedly come with a similar guarantee to other General Motors products, which means 3-year, 36,000 miles from bumper to bumper, and 5-year, 60,000 miles of powertrain coverage, which is fine to have. The revival of the General Motors Hummer brand continued with the unveiling of the Hummer EV SUV, which will arrive in 2023 as a rival to the Rivian R1S with 800 horsepower. The SUV, which joins the closely related Hummer pickup, sits at the top of GM's advanced Ultium electric vehicle platform and promises a choice of maximum driving efficiency or maximum off-road capability. The Hummer brand ceased operations in 2009 and was only revived last year with the unveiling of the Hummer EV pickup. The EV SUV is, therefore, the first new Hummer SUV in 12 years, which is definitely going to change things in the world of cars. Thank you for watching.